Hey, it's me, Zuzi, from Underground Orchid. It's really hot, and I need something cold.
So today we're gonna make a honeydew and chili sorbet. Alright, let's start with this great opportunity to become a fruit ninja in a real life. Alright, when we cut up our honeydew, we're gonna get rid of the seeds. I don't know really any uses for the seeds except if you want to grow your own. I did try that before back in UK and it grew quite nicely, but the fruit was very small, about the tennis ball size. But also I grew it in a pot because I didn't have a garden. But it was still pretty good, super fun. Anyways, let's get rid of the peel. Oh hey, there's a mysterious hand that's cleaning up my mess. I like that. I do not like cleaning. I mean, who does? This hand is really pointing out all my mistakes. I don't know about that. Maybe next time I'm just gonna clean up myself. Jesus, really? Alright, let's put it in the bag and then in the freezer. Oh, I forgot one. Thank you. Anyways, let's put it in the freezer for, let's say 24 hours. Alright, let's cut up our chilies. Always wash your hands properly after cutting up chilies. Any kind of chilies, or even better, just wear gloves. I mean, it's a serious pain if you touch your face after cutting up chilies. Alright, let's put them aside. Alright, it is the next day and our honeydew, it's completely frozen. So let's put it in the blender. I'm sorry, it's not really in the middle, I just didn't have much time, so you can see just half of the blender. Anyways, let's add our chilies, and I'm gonna add some agave syrup to make it a little bit sweeter. Let's blend it up. Well, I'm not really happy with this texture, so I decided to add some cream. This is a rice cream. I think it's from Alpro. It's really good. Anyways, yeah, that looks much better. So let's put it in a bowl. Maybe decorate it a little bit with some more chili, because, you know, I never have enough chili. Let's take the money shot for the Instagram and let's try it. It's surprisingly really good. I really like it. I mean, I must say it was maybe a little bit too spicy, but you know, spice is good. Anyways, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.